We've seen the president refuse to appoint 41 judges who were recommended to him in accordance with the Constitution by the JSC. That standoff lives on to date. But we are now seeing revisit is not confined to the judiciary. The BBI project is revisiting the 2010 Constitution, which the president has always considered as an inconvenience. He wants to exercise unlimited power. And we know constitutions exist to limit the power a president or anybody in authority may exercise. This is a project to overthrow the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
We want to ask your colleagues, we want to ask the people, why would you expect people who have failed to deliver when you have a constitution which holds them accountable? After they have removed those accountability mechanisms, why would they deliver? Why would they bother to deliver? So we want to emphasize and get people to reflect on that. There is a direct connection, very direct connection, between your political rights and your livelihoods, and the capacity of government to not destroy. They don't have to deliver, not destroy your livelihoods, because they're doing their destroying. And if they take away the political rights, it's not an either or. Political rights and economic and social rights and your well-being are inextricably bound. If they take away the Constitution, the 2010 Constitution, we can assure you, you will be both impoverished and oppressed.